Staying in the AI realm, though, shares of Duolingo are up nearly 9% today. That was our mystery chart after an upgrade to market perform at JMP, which sees multiple catalysts for sustained growth, including AI. They're writing that Duolingo, quote, likely benefits from AI enabling conversational experiences as it creates upsell opportunities and improves teaching efficacy. Joining us now to discuss is the analyst behind the call, Andrew Boone of Citizens JMP. Andrew, great to have you here. Welcome.
Great. Thanks so much for having me.
So tell us why you think that one of the categories people expect AI's translation abilities to almost wipe out entirely, meaning translation services, why you think this AI technology could actually be bullish.
Well, Duolingo is going to launch a product probably later this year that will allow you to converse directly with some of its characters. So imagine conversing with Lily in Spanish and actually practicing what is a lesson on hotels or ordering at a restaurant or whatever that looks like. And we think that that can unlock additional monetization opportunities for Duolingo as they upsell that with new subscription offerings, which is specifically called Max.
That is kind of what the CEO himself was saying. Luis von Ahn was on the exchange talking about this. Let's take a quick listen.
The thing that they really allow us to do is teach conversation better. I mean, there's many aspects of learning a language. You have to learn vocabulary, you have to learn how to read, how to listen, etc. But conversation is something we were never able to really teach you with a computer. But now that's something that we can teach you.
And Andrew, it sounds like that's what you're saying here, that this now opens a potential lucrative pathway for them.
Yeah, exactly. I know that there are some concerns out there that AI may negate the fact that you have to learn a language to be able to go somewhere and really converse with people. I think that really is misunderstanding what Duolingo offers. Really, I think Duolingo is this fun, entertaining app where the key to success there is really the engagement and the gamification that they've built around the app. And so you have the core base, and now they're layering on all these additional products and services that are going to be unique and, again, still fun and engaging for their audience. And I think that's really the potential as I look at 24, 25.
And how do you expect that to directly help earnings, and how soon?
Yeah. So the conversational product isn't launched yet, but they do have Max, and you can have these short little snippets today that are available on Duolingo. If we look at what 10% of the potential subscriber base for 25 upgrading to Max would look like, we think that could be around $100 million of incremental revenue that's not built into our model.
You have a 260 price target, 46% upside from here. You mentioned the family plan, which can also drive retention, Spotify's family plan, and so forth. So there are some other levers here to pull as well.
Yes, definitely. One of which is the family plan. We also think that there's additional levers around just additional engagement with advanced English speakers. And so that is the English product. If you're thinking about a country like the Philippines, where Duolingo has somebody who kind of knows English but isn't quite certain about kind of where they are in the app, Duolingo can today do a better job of placing them and then teaching them more advanced language skills. Historically, it was more kind of beginner language learning, and increasingly you're being able to do more advanced language learning in the app.
Super interesting. Andrew, again, a contrarian call, one that the market likes, sending the stock up higher today. Thanks for joining us to talk about it.